Hello guys, welcome back to the shop. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the KTM 250SX with the 500cc BRC conversion. After sleeping on overnight, I started thinking about that spark plug cap that I put on to make room to get the spark plug on right here, to make the spark plug cap, and I started wondering, does that have too much resistance? And that's what's causing the electrical issue. So, and then it hit me. The spark plug that came with the kit was one of the longer standard NGK. It was a BR8 EIX. Now, the KTM plugs are typically shorter usually. If you can see right here, you see how that plug's a little bit shorter. So it hit me. If I just put a KTM plug in instead of the plug that that came with the kit, I might be able to get the stock spark plug cap back on and onto the plug. So I did that, and yes, I was able to get it on, and now she fires up with the correct spark plug gap. So if you get this kit and you can't get your spark plug cap on with the standard length NGK plug, just get one of the shorter ones. Let me show you right here again. Just get one of the shorter ones for the KTMs. This one that we're currently using is a BR8 ECM. So just get one of them, and that'll fit, and then you won't have the stator issue with it not creating enough spark, because obviously this RM spark plug cap probably had a little bit too much resistance. You know, they have resistors in these to try to keep the noise down, and this must have less resistance than the stock KTM spark plug cap. So now she fires up with the 24,000 spark plug gap that she should have, so we're good there. Just wanted to give a quick update on that. If I run into anything else, just stay posted. I'll keep you updated as we slowly sort this thing out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this kind of stuff, please click like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.